these people, top 100 rankers or top 50 rankers, should have separate kind of unique preparation strategy. Daily, how many hours you used to prepare, and what is the time to practice, and how you revise, and how you maintain short notes, and how you appeared for OTS, and what is your background. Everything our guys want to know. Coming to your preparation strategy.
So preparation is like I used to wake up in an afternoon session. I used to do some problem solving.
He used to have 3 sessions. Morning 5 to 7, he used to go for meditation. Do you used to discuss with your friend circle and all? And
Yeah,
about
there is a lot.
OTS online test series. Hi guys, let me introduce Ramakrishna Sanjay Gaikwad, 46th ranker of this year GATE 2021, AIR 46. First of all, Gaikwad, hearty congratulations. You rocked, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, from your side also,
Thank
congratulate
you,
him,
sir.
because getting less than 500 rank is difficult, it's okay, but less than 100 is more difficult, less than 50 is most difficult. In the sense, these people, top 100 rankers or top 50 rankers, should have separate kind of unique preparation strategy. So by requesting Gaikwad, let us all come to know about his preparation strategy such that it would be helpful for GATE 2022 aspirants. And Gaikwad, I would like to ask you only two things. First thing is, what did you like most in KM Rao? And second thing is your preparation strategy. Kind of daily, how many hours you used to prepare, and what is the time to practice, and how you revise, and how you maintain short notes, and how you appeared for OTS, and what is your background. Everything our guys want to know. Tell me.
My name is Ramakrishna Sanjay Gaikwad. I completed my BTech from College of Engineering Pune in 2019 itself. From second third year itself, I started preparing for ESC itself. And GATE is a part of it. So during the GATE preparation, I came to know about the Canada from my seniors, because we used to study in a study room. So I get to know from Kendra sir. So
Great.
The Kendra sir teaches machine like anything. Like
Thank you so much.
Sir gives a feeling of how machine runs and how actually it's converted power from electrical to mechanical, or generator mechanical to electrical.
Yes.
So you use a feeling for it, and that clears the concept about this complicated subject machine in easy concepts that will be useful in solving numericals, for solving questions, and also for a knowledge purpose. It gives an immense happiness also to learn about this complex subject.
Thank you so much. Coming to your preparation strategy.
So my daily routine for GATE preparation is like I used to wake up at 5 o'clock and do 2.5 hours for yoga and meditations. That gives me some confidence, or my mind get concentrated a little bit. Then after having a breakfast, I sit for morning session 3.5 hours. In that session, I used to do video lecture, or like learning new things, learning new subject. Then in afternoon session, I used to do some problem solving of that subject and practice questions from workbook or any standard book. And then in the third session of that 3 hour, I used to do a revision of the whole day and what to do in upcoming days that I planned for that.
Okay, so let me repeat, because some connection instability is there. He used to have 3 sessions. Morning 5 to 7, he used to go for meditation and kind of yoga. And after that, the total day, he used to divide into 3 sections. In the morning section, he used to prepare for video watching or learning new things, because morning fresh mindset will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And in the second section and third section, he used to practice in one section, and he used to revise in one section.
Yes.
So, like in morning section, how many hours you used to prepare, Gaikwad?
3.5 hours, sir.
3.5 hours
4
in
hours.
morning. Okay. In the afternoon session, post lunch session?
3 hours, sir.
3 hours.
And then 3.5 hours
in the evening.
after
So almost
hybrid.
daily 10 hours you used to prepare.
Yes, sir.
And even like many students are there who are really hardworking. But
Yes, sir.
what is the uniqueness with you? Why you got less than 50?
Sir, actually, I will say the confidence and the practice of doing such, actually, I will say practice and persistence or routine work that helped me a lot in getting this rank, I think so. Because that 3 years matters a lot in exam.
So 3 years.
3 hours.
Oh, 3 hours. Okay. 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, kind of. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you used to discuss with your friend circle and all?
Yeah, sir. We have a good friend circle of seniors and those four or five guys. We used to discuss a lot about the questions that and gain some knowledge about it, and that also helped me a lot in solving problems.
So guys, try to form a group of 4 or 5 members
Group.
of similar mindset, similar targets. Then
Yes,
group motivation levels will be always high compared to individual motivation levels.
Yes, sir.
And about OTS online test series, like how you used to attempt, when did you start OTS? If you can share.
I start. So OTS contains the subject-wide test and the full syllabus test. So after completion of every subject, I used to give the subject
level test.
Okay. After the test series, I used to evaluate for half an hour or 1 hour what mistakes I did or which areas I am in the weak. So I used to wrote down and I used to think about how to improve it and solve many questions as soon as possible from standard books or previous year questions. That it will help in your next test.
So guys, yes, guys, he used to recognize and realize his weaker areas through online test series, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's great. And you used to practice from any standard books kind of stuff?
Yes, sir.
Standard books, example problems or exercise problems? Exercise problems. So guys, he used to do some standard books exercise problems also. And did you maintain any short notes?
No, sir. Actually, I have the notes that I actually did in third year or final year itself, and used to highlight.
Okay. So at starting only you prepared. Okay, at starting only you prepared your short notes, and on that only you started highlighting the things.
Highlighting those. And then during or giving a full syllabus test, I used to revise those highlighted points.
Okay, that's great. And coming to the point of what you want to do with 46th rank, future.
So I will go for an MTech in microelectronics.
Okay, you could go to like PSUs, no? You would get PSUs.
Actually, the way you motivated me towards doing MTech rather than going in PSU is excellent. Because of you only, I got interested in doing MTech.
So, like, you are kind of a self-confident guy who is depending on technology for your future.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Technology. That's really appreciated. That should be, because nowadays people became PSU. But even though, see guys, even though he could get a PSU with 46th rank, he don't want to join PSU. He want to pursue his masters in microelectronics and VLSI, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So he want to settle his life in microelectronics or VLSI.
Not service.
Yeah. So technology always, it will give kind of goosebumps.
Yes.
Your life.
Goosebumps.
Yes.
You get a knowledge.
Yes. Yes. And we feel involved
Knowledge.
rather
Yeah.
than in the same job, same thing for many years.
Yeah.
It will be better. That's really great. That's really great. And any final words for our YouTube community?
So my final words will be, uh, do your best and practice a lot, revise a lot what you have done.
Mm-hmm.
Have some patience, because in this kind of competitive, well, we need mostly a patience.
Yes.
Patience, the success to key
Mm-hmm.
for this examination or any competitive examination.
True.
Don't get depressed when you got. Yes, sir. Don't get depressed when you got less marks in online test series.
Mm-hmm.
It's just for
Yes,
practice.
yes. And multiple times people are scared of giving online test series by feeling that they may get less marks. But if they
No,
get
that's
less
wrong.
marks, they will come to know weaker areas, no?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, they will know what weak areas to improve them.
That's great. And how many months you prepared like this? Daily 9 hours or 10 hours?
8 to 9.
8 to 9 months. So guys, 8 to 9 months, 9 to 10 hours, morning 2 hours meditation, and after that 3 sections, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, somehow, roughly, and have a small group of with similar mind and similar target. And ultimately he is the achiever, 46th rank. And again, he don't want to join PSU, he want to settle his life in technology. It's really great. It's really great to know, Gaikwad. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge to our guys. Hopefully, with your motivation, next year many more rankers will come up. At least you will be able to instill some kind of confidence among student community. That should be appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gaikwad. And for any help in future, any kind of guidance, anything, I'm there.
Yes. Yes, sir. You are always there for students. Yes, sir. You are always there for students.
Thank you. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Right, dear. Take care. Bye-bye.